Hello everyone, welcome to SSC Insight. In this video, I will discuss with you about my DV experience of SSC selection post Phase 7 2019. I have been selected in 3 posts of Eastern region. Those are ER 10619, ER 10719 and ER 11019. My DV was scheduled on 15th January 2021 in Nizam Palace, Kolkata, and my DV timing were 9:30 a.m., 11:45 a.m., and 2:15 p.m. I reached there almost 1 hour before of my scheduled time. Though the first DV timing was 9:30 a.m., it somehow got delayed and it starts at 10 a.m. So at first we were given an application form of 3 pages. The form includes almost everything, every details. So at 10 a.m. we were given that application form and they told to fill this form very quickly. It was very difficult to fill that long form to fill in hurry, and that also includes such important information. So after that, we were called inside the office one by one. After entering the office, first we they check the body temperature, and we have to sign there with date beside our photo. After that, we were told to stand in a queue, and one by one they were calling inside the candidates and verifying their documents. So the documents they were verifying, it was depend on your post category. As I was selected in 2 posts of master degree and 1 post of higher secondary qualification. In the 2 posts of master degree, I was told to show the original document of my master degree certificate and 10th certificate, only these 2 documents. And for that post category of higher secondary qualification, the 10th certificate and the 12th certificate and 12th mark sheet, these 3 documents for higher secondary qualification. Besides, 2 photos are required for each post category. One will be pasted in the application form which you were given at the entrance, and the next at the time of document verification. There was a separate form which document verifier will fill at the time of document verification, and in that form you have to paste that another photo. So you need 2 photos for each post category. Though they were told to carry at least 3 photographs for each post category, but 2 photo is enough, but it is safe to carry more number of photos obviously. And the next thing is no Xerox of documents were needed there, as we already sent our documents previously when we got selected and when the list was declared. I think it was in February 2020. So as then we already have sent our documents of each 10th, 12th graduation, post graduation and identity. So here we don't need to submit any Xerox copy of our original documents. If there is any anomaly, then they are asking for the Xerox documents, or if there is any documents missing in case of your post category, then they are asking to submit the Xerox copy, unless no need of any Xerox of original documents. So and after that verification, we are told to wait outside, and after some time they called us, called one by one to click our picture, just like in online examination. They click our photo, and in an A4 size paper the photo got printed, and below that photo we need to write 5 things: roll number, date, signature, post category number, and your phone number, your current phone number in which they can contact you. And your document verification process is completed, and after that your call letter will be um, given back to you with a sign above that call letter, and it was written verified with a sign and date. That is the complete process of document verification. Thank you.